Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a thermostat that is not working after a power outage has occurred. Specifically a Honeywell thermostat, just like the one that I'm showing you right now. And I'm going to be showing you and telling you to try these easy fixes first. So that's right. Try these easy fixes first with your Honeywell thermostat if your Honeywell thermostat is not working after a power outage has occurred. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So let's say you had a power outage, you go to your thermostat after and you realize it's not working properly or not working at all. This is a video for you. I'll be going over 4 quick fixes that you can try out, okay? So number one, the first thing that you want to do, number one, is to change the batteries, okay? Now most thermostats, most modern thermostats are going to have batteries behind them. Changing the batteries is usually an easy task. Usually just pop it out of place and change the batteries, or sometimes there's a little door at some place at some point on the thermostat that you can pop out and change the batteries. But try changing the batteries, because maybe the batteries happen to die at the same time that the power outage occurred, right? A lot of people rule that out, but that could very well be the case. That's number one, change the batteries. Number two is to turn the circuit breaker off and then back on. So go to your electrical panel and you want to look for the circuit breaker that powers the thermostat itself. When you find that circuit breaker, you want to flip it off and then back on. I'll tell you why. When power outages occur, very rarely, but sometimes circuit breakers will trip, but they don't look like they trip. So sometimes they look like they're on, but they're not fully on, okay? And essentially by flipping it off and then back on, you're going to ensure that it is actually on and providing power to your thermostat, okay? So try that out for number 2. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 3, which is to try reprogramming it. Now for reprogramming it, obviously I'm talking about if your thermostat has a screen that's working, but it's just not like actually functioning properly. Maybe the power outage reset the programming on your thermostat. Maybe it just, messed it up. Try reprogramming it, give it a try. Hopefully that can help you out. Hopefully it was just a simple glitch, and hopefully by reprogramming it, you get it to work again. And if that doesn't help you out, you're going to move on to fix number 4. And fix number 4 is to try pressing the temperature buttons and listen closely. And I'll tell you why. Let's say, and this is the final thing that you can try before you have to look into the wiring and replacing the thermostat itself. So just press the temperature adjustment buttons and listen to it. And I'll tell you why you want to listen to it. Maybe your screen itself isn't working, but maybe the thermostat is working with regards to its internals. So let's say I'm on heat mode right now, right? If I want to get it to work on heat mode, I got to increase the temperature setting. So I'm going to put down here, I got to increase it to 20. I'll do it right now. I'm going to increase it to 20 on a permanent hold. And what's going to happen is it's going to click and it's going to call for heat, okay? So basically, it just did it right now. It just made the clicking sound. So you're going to listen when you adjust the temperature, because if you hear the clicking sound, what that means is that it worked. The thermostat called for heat or cool, but you just might not see it. So maybe that's a display problem, and that'll hopefully help you solve it or narrow down the problem a little bit more. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. And if you had a power outage and your thermostat doesn't work, hopefully you can get it fixed and you don't need to get a new one. You might have to, but hopefully you can just fix it using one of these methods. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.